Imagine a busy, sunlit port. Two massive cargo vessels are maneuvering into position when, unexpectedly, they scrape against each other. This visualization shows the repair bill for Ship A. The hull damage costs exactly $400,000. But when the insurance company calculates total financial exposure for this crash, that number spikes to $925,000. How does an insurance payout become more than double the actual physical damage the ship sustained? We can rule out insurance fraud or a clerical typo. The math here is entirely deliberate. This gap between physical repair costs and total exposure is a common point of confusion in marine claims. It highlights why looking at a single payout number doesn't tell the whole story of a collision. To understand why the math works, we need to zoom out and look at the financial responsibilities of both ships. The math feels off because we often default to merging two distinct financial obligations into one single assumption. Ship A's repair cost is $400,000. We add a column for its $700,000 collision liability. The standard three-quarter rule covers 75%, $525,000. Combined, these two obligations total exactly $925,000. The apparent inflation is simply an accounting feature. The insurer pays to fix their client's ship, while simultaneously paying off the legal damage caused to others. We can prove this formula holds true by looking across the open water at the second vessel involved in the crash. Ship B's physical loss is $1 million. Its collision liability debt is $120,000. The policy covers 75%, which is $90,000. Adding the $1 million loss to this $90,000 liability yields $1,090,000. Whether a ship suffers a minor dent or ends up at the bottom of the harbor, the dual bucket calculation operates exactly the same way. The physical value of the ship remains consistent. In collision scenarios like these, the total payout reflects a combination of the ship's own physical damage and its specific legal debts to the other vessel. But there is a crucial procedural trap. This mathematical formula only works if the standard three-quarter liability split actually applies to the incident. Before calculating a single dollar in liability, an adjuster must read the exact wording of the collision liability clause printed in the policy. Some protection and indemnity contracts, which cover third-party liabilities, feature unique wording that explicitly overrides standard industry assumptions. That written text always dictates the ultimate financial split. Solving financial anomalies requires two steps: parsing the collision's mathematics and following the strict legal text.